Shalom, shalom, everyone. This is what's left of a 5-pound bag of chicken. I baked it in the oven with some olive oil. And right here, I'm going to insert the 5-pound bag of chicken that I used. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if you saw my grocery haul, I bought this Carnitas slow cook sauce for pork. And, of course, I don't eat pork, but I'm going to use it on this chicken. Now, it says to use it for 4 pounds of boneless pork shoulder. And then you cook your pork first, and then you put it either stovetop or then you can do the slow cooker. The slow cooker directions say, heat oil in large pan over high heat, add pork, cook until brown on all sides. Place pork slow cooker sauce in 1/2 cup of water into 3 to 4 quart slow cooker. Cover tightly, slow cook on low for 4 to 6 hours until meat is fork tender. Use a fork to pull meat into shreds. Season with salt to taste. Well, first off, I'm not using pork. I don't eat pork. And I don't have 4 pounds. So I'm still going to make this the best I can. But first off, I am going to cube this up so it's just smaller and it'll fit in my slow cooker. Okay, so here's that chicken kind of cubed up. And here is, I'm using about 3/4 cup water. Kind of halving it up there. And there is that sauce. It looks good. Ooh, smells good. Okay, now I'm going to put the water in the pouch to help get the extra out of that pouch. And I'm going to pour it in here. And on with the lid. And it says to cover tightly. Well, it's as tight as it's going to get. And slow cook on low for 6 to 8 hours until meat is fork tender. So, we shall be back in 6 to 8 hours. Little side note here, y'all. I only started out with, well, that package was 4 pounds, but I didn't use the whole 4 pounds because I had already ate some out of that package. But that is, and I added a little extra water. I don't know, because that sure wouldn't have been enough sauce for 4 pounds of meat. Because that right there is only probably about 2. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, y'all, this has been on for more than 8 hours. So what I'm going to do is take it out of the crock pot, and I'm going to shred it up. Because let me make sure. Cover tightly, slow cook 6 to 8 hours until meat is fork tender. Use a fork, season with salt to taste. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of here, shred it with a fork, and we'll see what we got. Well, here it is, y'all. I got my my dinner all set up here. I got some tortilla chips and a salad, and there's the meat, and I got 4 more containers out of that. I'll put these in the freezer. But, y'all, okay, I know this was intended for pork. Right here. Carnitas slow cook sauce for pork. But I'm not impressed. Now, this is how I planned on eating it. This is how I made it. This is how I wanted to eat it. I wanted to eat it kind of like a taco salad, sort of destructured. But I'm not impressed, y'all. It's the flavor's just not there. I did add salt. It said to add salt. I've got no desire to add hot sauce right now, but I normally do use hot sauce. It's just not my thing. Is it bad? No. Is it good? Eh. Uh, 3 out of 5. But I hope that the chips kind of, and it is a little, I added a little bit more sauce, a little bit more water to it when I was cooking it uh, to get more sauce, and because I wanted it more saucy, because this is how I planned on eating it. And I'm just not impressed. But you might be. So it's Simply Organic Carnitas Slow Cook Sauce for pork. Um, like I said, a 3. But thanks for watching, guys. And I did get, well, I remember I didn't use 6 pounds either. Wait, excuse me, 4 pounds. I didn't use 4 pounds either. But I'm going to get 5 meals out of it, so that's good. So thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Just let me know you're there. Bye. Shalom, shalom.